Could there be a more valuable investment than in oneself? In the vast stock market of life, the most profitable share to own is the one that represents self-education. Welcome to a journey of exploration, a journey that promises to enrich your mind, broaden your horizons, and potentially increase your earning potential. In the bustling, ever-changing world of the 21st century, the adage of lifelong learning holds more weight than ever. The process of self-education doesn't have to be daunting or overwhelming. In fact, it can be broken down into simple, manageable steps that make the journey enjoyable and rewarding. Step 1. Recognize your areas of interest. Everyone has a unique set of passions and talents. Identifying these areas helps in deciding where to focus your self-education efforts. It could be anything from digital marketing to medieval history. Remember, there are no wrong answers in the pursuit of knowledge. Step 2. Set clear, achievable goals. Knowing what you want to achieve helps you stay focused and motivated. Your goals could be as simple as reading one new book a month or as ambitious as mastering a new language within a year. Step 3. Find the right resources. The internet has made it easier than ever to access a wealth of information. There are countless online courses, webinars, podcasts, and ebooks available at your fingertips. Step 4. Consistently dedicate time. Self-education isn't a one-time event, but a continuous process. Try to dedicate at least an hour a day to your chosen area of study. Step 5. Apply what you learn. Practical application of knowledge helps in retaining and understanding it better. Whether it's a new coding language or a philosophy concept, try to find ways to apply it in your daily life. Step 6. Keep track of your progress. Celebrate your small victories and use them as motivation to keep going. Remember, the journey of self-education is a marathon, not a sprint. To summarize, investing in self-education involves recognizing your interests, setting goals, finding resources, dedicating time, applying knowledge, and tracking progress. The benefits of this investment are manifold. Not only does it enhance your skills and knowledge, but it also opens up new opportunities, boosts confidence, and can significantly improve earning potential. In a world where change is the only constant, the ability to learn and adapt becomes crucial. By choosing to invest in self-education, you are choosing to invest in your future. So don't hesitate. Start your self-education journey today and see where it takes you. Remember, the most profitable investment you can make is in yourself. And that's all for today. Don't forget to come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.